Guess what? I got a package. And I'm alone. I sent everybody to buy things. And I'm opening the package. Alone. I'm so selfish. Ah! So amazing. I think I need a knife for this. That looks stupid. Gotta get a knife. I cannot believe that this is coming all the way from America. I cannot believe it. I hope I won't cut myself. My God. I can't wait anymore. Jesus. How do I open the box? Jesus Christ. The unwrapping of the box. I can't believe this is a box from America. Jesus. I managed it. Haha. I managed it. Gosh. Okay. Breathe, girl. God damn it. What's here? What did you put here? Whoopsie. Oh. Those are the prints you've been telling me. Oh God. What's this? I'm thinking of you. I am sending you I'm sending energy to you. Everything will work out for the best. With love, Bob. I love you. Thank you. I love it. So nice. Thank you so much. I know you can see me. Thank you so much. Very beautiful. And now, who's the fairest of them all? Who's the fairest of them all? Oh, got a lot of wrapping things. This too? My camera! Ah! See, it has a cable. Gosh. I'm still shaking, you know? Thank you so much. The unwrapping of the box! Look, you have to look. This is my old camera. This is my new camera. on this brand new beautiful camera. Thank you so much. Mwah. I'll keep this next to my bed. Mwah. Kisses.